Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to blur and make a rainbow. Yes, and I mean rainbow. So, first you have to go to Ibis pen, of course, and get one paper. You press this, press that, and you get a paper. And wait guys, I'm gonna get my pen. I don't know where I put my pen. Guys, I'm back. My dad is getting my pen. Give me that. Close the door. Okay. So first you pick some colors. I'm gonna pick red. You can make rainbow too. And this pink. I'm gonna put these two. You see this blur, you click it. And you see this special, right? You press it. And then you just keep doing this. And then here, blur. And you're done. Guys, comment down below, should I show every single of my drawing and is bad? And make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and click the bell button, guys. Bye-bye.